Did you have a bad day today? It was a Monday. And look, life does not always go the way we want. Sometimes we get bad news, sad news. I don't know what's going on in your day or your life, but we all have days that we're down or depressed. Maybe we go and binge and eat everything in house and home, or maybe we just don't care and just eat total junk. Look, whatever it is that you had happen today or another day that was a bad day for you, I wish I could just send you so much love and encouragement, because guess what? It happens to all of us. But I want to encourage you not to stay there, but to get back up and make tomorrow better. One habit that statistically makes a big difference in helping people overall in life with a positive outlook is a simple daily habit. It doesn't usually work the first day, but over time people see a difference. And it's not related to food, but it is at the same time. Because when we have positive outlook and we are in a good mood, our food digests better, we get better absorption of our food nutrition, and we care more about what we eat, so we tend to eat more nutritiously as well. So this habit, and I want you to do this, whether today was a great day or a lousy day, and that is to find 3 things that you appreciate about today and write them down. I smelled roses today. I was out in sunshine and got vitamin D. My kids told me they loved me. Whatever it is for you, write it down.